Hi, I'm Nathan Rice, owner of Rice Roofing and Remodeling, and thank you for considering us to be a part of this very important project. Please pay close attention to the following details that we have put together for your benefit. Planning is a critical step of any successful project. We give each roof the unique attention to detail it deserves, and we work with you to make sure your property is protected before we begin. We are certified master craftsmen with the industry-leading shingle manufacturer, CertainTeed, and our team is able to communicate every technical part of your new roofing system to ensure you know what is going on your roof, why it's going on, and how it will be installed. The first thing we do when we arrive on site is begin protecting your property. You move your furniture to a safe area and protect any plants or items that you may have. One person will be removing the shingles from the top, and one person will be catching the shingles and tossing them safely away from your property. Once the shingles are removed, all of your decking is thoroughly inspected. If any decking is in bad condition, we will promptly replace it and provide you with photo documentation. We will replace up to 5 sheets of decking for free to help limit any unforeseen costs. On average, we replace roughly 1.5 sheets of plywood for every 1,000 square feet of roof. Please remove all your valuables that are not securely fastened into your wall studs. There may be debris that falls into your attic, so please cover anything you want to keep protected. We keep our drink cooler stocked with ice and water to ensure our team is hydrated while doing such physically demanding work. Communication is an important part of safety. We will have a bilingual crew leader on site to address any of your concerns throughout the project. We carry a $1 million general liability and workmen's compensation policy for the protection of your home and the livelihood of our workers. Our #1 priority is the safety of our crews, so we ensure everyone on the roof utilizes an OSHA-approved fall protection device. While the majority of debris is captured by tarps, we also sweep your property with powerful magnets to keep your children and pets safe after the project is complete. Once again, thank you for choosing Rice Roofing and Remodeling. Your business helps us provide for our families, and we are sincerely grateful for the opportunity to serve you.